Don't buy this stock until you watch this analysis video. First, let's look at the stock's current valuation. I'm using a very simple set of metrics: Relative Strength Index, the SMA 50, and the SMA 200. For the RSI, we're looking for a number below 50 in order for the stock to be undervalued in the short term. For the SMA 50 and SMA 200, we're looking for numbers less than 0% for the stock to be undervalued in the near and long term. Let's finally average out the three valuation metrics to get our answer. Before we continue, join my Patreon. You'll get access to over 1,000 stock grades that are updated every day. Go to patreon.com/GrowthShares or click on the link in the description. Next, let's answer the question, does the stock have a good business behind it? For this, we're simply looking at actual metrics, not a story, not some narrative, pure numbers. Here are the 5 metrics I'm looking at: PE ratio, earnings growth, profit margins, return on equity, and return on investment. Aside from the PE ratio, we want as high numbers as possible. We average them out, and that gives us our business grade. Remember, if you want to stay ahead of the competition, join my Patreon to get access to thousands of stocks. If you found this analysis insightful, subscribe for more. Invest wisely, and as always, take care of your money.